Hello everybody, it's Alek here, and in this step-by-step tutorial I will show you how to open a custom link in a new tab in WordPress. In the previous video I showed you how to create and add custom links to your header and footer menus. If I click this YouTube link, it will open in the same tab. In this tutorial I will use the same custom link to show you a cool trick to make it open in a new tab when clicked. To do that, open your menus page and make sure you're changing the settings on the right menu. I selected the header menu, and if I open my custom YouTube link, there is no option to open it in a new tab. But if I open the Screen Options menu at the top of the page and check this Link Target checkbox, this option will become available. If I check it, save the changes, return to my home page, reload it, and click this YouTube link, it will open in a new tab. And that's it. Now you know how to open a custom link in a new tab in WordPress. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please like it and feel free to subscribe for more WordPress related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.